Happy 2018, YouTube gardeners! We have lots of fun planned for the upcoming growing season. This grapevine just came out of its first season of growing, and it did great in this location, so I'm really excited about installing a much bigger trellis so that it can have plenty of room to grow and just add beauty to this wall. What we're going to do is bring each of the posts out further, so more to the right, more to the left, and install 10-foot posts. Run the heavy gauge wire through the posts, and it's going to be nice and sturdy, and the grapevine is going to have a ton of room to get beautiful and give us lots of grapes. We have lots of strawberry runners that we need to get placed in their new homes. I found these vintage wood crates that are going to become a strawberry tower, and it's just going to look amazing with the beautiful red strawberries cascading out through the openings. It's going to add so much beauty to this fence line. We're going to be adding lots more fruit trees, and we're going to be removing this ornamental tree and putting in a protein source. I'm going to plant an almond tree here, and then we'll be able to use the wood chips that come out of this tree to mulch the garden. I'm excited to try out these tomato seeds. I've never grown these varieties before, and they looked amazing in the catalog. They look super delicious, so this is going to be fun. Got some indigo cherry drops, and actually I think I have grown indigo cherry. But anyway, I know I haven't grown old German or pineapple or hillbilly. Some funny names for these seeds. And I'm also, of course, going to be growing my favorite seeds. I save them every year. Unfortunately, I don't remember the variety names. It's been year after year that I save the seeds and replant them, but I do not remember the variety names. They're so tasty. I just call them delicious and favorite. And I'm going to get them started in these little start containers and get them in the greenhouse. And it's time to start green chilies again and pepper plants, and of course I'm going to be growing lots and lots of green chilies like we do each year, but this year I'm going to add much more pepper plants. Many more bells and more jalapenos. We eat a lot of jalapenos, so I want to make sure that we have plenty here in the garden. These seeds I harvested from some green chilies and some red peppers, some red bells actually. And I'm going to be trying this purple jalapeno. I've never grown that before, so that's going to be fun, and I'm sure it's going to be beautiful. And some bell varieties, and then I have these chilies back here. These are green chilies that over-ripened, so I'll harvest the seeds from those, get them dried out, get them in the start containers, and get them in the greenhouse. Now, tomatoes are really easy to grow, but green chilies can be a little tricky. Peppers can be a bit tricky, so I'm going to be doing step-by-step planting and growing as I grow this year. So check back for those videos if you're interested in growing peppers. And we're going to have lots more do-it-yourself garden ideas, so subscribe to be notified. Now I'm going to go harvest some salad greens and some yummy vegetables. I hope you enjoy your new year and enjoy your garden.